Your hips are locked, your shoulders are rounded forward, and your lower back is screaming for help. If you sit for more than 4 hours a day, your body is quietly breaking down. But here's the good news. 3 simple stretches done daily can undo all that damage in just minutes. Let's start with the biggest culprit behind lower back pain: tight hip flexors. When you sit all day, these muscles at the front of your hips stay shortened and pull your pelvis forward, creating that nagging ache in your lower back. Here's how to fix it. Get into a kneeling lunge position with your right knee on the ground and left foot forward. Keep your torso upright and gently push your hips forward until you feel a stretch in the front of your right hip. The key is not to arch your back. Squeeze your right glute to deepen the stretch. Hold this for 45 seconds, then switch sides. Do this every single day. Next, let's open up that chest and reverse those rounded shoulders. Sitting collapses your thoracic spine and pulls your shoulders forward, making you look older and causing neck tension. Try the doorway chest stretch. Stand in a doorway with your forearm against the frame, elbow at 90 degrees. Step forward with the opposite foot and rotate your chest away from the wall. You should feel this across your chest and front shoulder. Hold for 45 seconds on each side. If you want an alternative, lie on your side with knees bent, arms extended forward, then slowly open the top arm like a book, following it with your eyes. This mobilizes your mid-back beautifully. Finally, your hamstrings. Sitting keeps them shortened, which tilts your pelvis backward and rounds your lower back. This affects everything from your posture to your knee health. Stand and place one heel on a low step or chair. Keep that leg straight, but don't lock the knee. Hinge forward from your hips, keeping your back flat until you feel the stretch behind your thigh. Hold for 45 seconds each leg. These 3 stretches target the exact areas sitting destroys. Do them every morning or evening, and you'll notice less pain, better posture, and easier movement within days. Make this your daily non-negotiable. Subscribe now because next week we're covering the best mobility moves for pain-free knees.